what's really started to happen with Made in Britain is people have started to understand that it actually does stand for it's made in Britain. Not just that somebody's paid a subscription fee to buy the flag, but that actually it represents people who are manufacturing here on our home soil.
I'm Matt Stadlen, and this is Made in Britain Unpacked, the series that tells the stories of British manufacturers. And thrilled to say that with me today is Chris Rose, who's co-founder and managing director of Sidon Water, a company that makes, well, you tell us what you make.
We make fancy pipes. It's an electrochemical water restructuring solution designed to resolve hard water problems. So hard water is synonymous with limescale, with rust and corrosion. So it's a method of doing that is chemical free, maintenance free, so very sustainable, very environmentally friendly, and unique.
How old is this business?
Business is 5 years old. We started just before the first lockdown in 2020. Top tip, don't start a business just before a global pandemic. So that gave us a little bit of time to play and trial and take the technology and find our feet. And yeah, we've built ahead of steam since then.
So let's have a look at the products, and it's quite weighty, isn't it? This is attached to this contraption here.
Yep.
What are we looking at?
So a pipe and a control box. The pipe is manufactured in either 304 or 316 stainless steel, depending on the application, and you essentially have an anode in the centre of the pipe. The outside of the pipe acts as a cathode, and a control box where all the clever bits happen, and we're sending energy in the form of electrons into the anode, through the water, out to the cathode, and it restructures the water as the water passes through the pipe, effectively leaving the bits that would have made nasty limescale, rendering them ineffective. They no longer bind.
So where would we find this?
All over the place. Our largest and most notable one, recently we took on a contract with Europe's largest gym chain, Basic Fit, which is just being announced this month. So we're rolling out in about 1,500 sites throughout Europe for them. So a lot of people will be showering under Integra water sometime quite soon, through hotels, industrial applications, commercial laundry facilities, healthcare facilities, anywhere where there's hard water problems, we can help.
How many products are you making in a year?
At the moment, several thousand, but that's going up quite quickly. We're a small business. We started in the UK. We now have good coverage through Benelux, good coverage through Spain. North and South America, where my co-founder is based, is doing well, but we're at the beginning of the journey.
And is being a British manufacturer something you're proud of?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. The quality control that we have by working with good UK manufacturers is just fantastic. It's not just about that, but it's supply chain miles. We manufacture using British raw materials. Our transformers are wound within the UK. They're put together in a facility, they're shipped from that facility to the customer, and any repairs that need to be done are from there. So it all adds up, it makes a difference.
Do you have the logo on your packaging?
Oh, we absolutely have to, yeah. Branding, got to get the branding out there.
And you've got it on your chest there?
Yes,
The
absolutely.
Made in Britain logo. Yeah. Does it help in any way, do you think?
Yes, I think so. I think when it first started, I think there was a bit of a misunderstanding because there are so many organisations that have a flag associated with them. But I think what's really started to happen with Made in Britain is people have started to understand that it actually does stand for it's made in Britain. Not just that somebody's paid a subscription fee to buy the flag, but that actually it represents people who are manufacturing here on our home soil.
Did you imagine you'd be a British manufacturer when you were growing up?
No, I didn't have any grand ambitions. To be honest, if I could go back in time and tell myself something, and I would say it to any child now, is that you have a choice to do something different. And I didn't understand that coming through the education system. This is something that is very, very different indeed. So it's been great to find something which is so much help to all of our customers that we supply into.
It's so good to see the passion and the commitment and the enjoyment and the smile on your face. So Chris Rose, thank you so much for telling us your story.
Thank you.